Jordan or spike test. Sa hard one.
Oo, ano yung mga ito?
So, okay. Spike check out again. Okay. Not valuable. Okay. But this is the real one. This is a Brina shoes. Okay, USA. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's see. Okay, so titingnan po natin kung alin po mas malakas. Pili po kayo. Sabrina po, USA, head color. Next one, we have Lebron 20. This is my oldest shoes. But this spot, pero yung spike niya sobrang lakas. Promise. May ingayan po kayo. This is po yung third one po. Ay, ano ba ito? Tagal lang po. Tagal lang po guys. Tanggal po yung
Wow.
so ayan po. Sorry po kasi po wala po akong medyas ngayon.
Wow.
Teka lang. Takot. Ito. Yan. Watch guys Clean. Watch my sturdy guys. Hey. Compare the difference, okay? Compare na po kung sino mas malakas na spike. Okay? See you guys.